Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually go and change the default folder in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Filmora application on your PC. If you don't know how to do it, you can go to our channel where we can go and help you with that. So guys, now that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically here we have as you can see in the top corner, we have the file, edit, we get tools, view, export, and the help option. And also here we have the media, audio, titles, transaction, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the default folder in Filmora. To do so guys, we need to go and get something out. So we're probably gonna go and get this sample audio here, which you can go and copy, do whatever you want to it, cut it, or whatever you want. But now, let's see how you can actually go and change the folder in Filmora. To do so, click on the top right corner here, click the export button. And here because you have an audio, we're gonna go and change it for the MP3. This is just for the sake of this video. And here guys, you can have save to. And you just need to go and click on this folder here. And you'll pop out, and here you can go and put where you want actually it to be saved. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.